Hi guys, it's Hedva here, and today's video I'm going to be opening these poppet blind bags. But before I get opening, don't forget to like and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get opening. Okay, so we have 3 blind bags. We have this one, and this one. And there's a little blind bag over here. It says open me first. So I guess we're going to open this one first. Get the scissors. Okay. What's inside? Okay, there's a note. There's a list here. Probably a list of the poppets that we're gonna get. And an extra DIY marble mesh. Here's the marble mesh. It's a white rose marble mesh. Okay, let's open this list. There's a tape, so I think it's gonna cut it. Okay, there you go. Let's see. Poppet. There's a green square poppet. It's a rare. A circle red poppet. It's a common. A circle pink poppet is a rare. A purple heart poppet is a legendary. Okay, I hope we got this one. A square orange poppet, and it's a common. Okay, so I'm hoping to get this green square poppet or the legendary purple heart poppet. So let's put this to the side and let's get opening. Okay guys, so let's open our first blind bag. But before we open it, we're gonna look around the packaging first. Okay, so it says poppet blind bag. Okay, bottom says check the back for a color of the rarity. Okay, let's check the back. Oh, it's a purple dot. Okay, it's purple dot. Let's check the list. What the purple dot mean? Oh, it's a common. Okay, so the purple dot means a common. So we could get this red circle poppet or this orange square poppet. Okay, I really want the square one. I think it's cuter. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, let's open it. Oh, what we're gonna get? There you go. What is it? Oh my goodness, it's an orange square poppet. Okay, so we got the orange square poppet. Oh gosh, this is so cool. It's very big and very fun to squish. This is the quiet side, and here is the loud side. Oh my god, this is super duper cool. Oh my god, it's very cool. Okay, so this is so cool. We got a square orange poppet, and it's a common. You see, here is a common. Yay, we got our first poppet. This is our second blind bag. Okay, let's see, what color did we get? What color is it? Oh, it's a blue color. It's blue. Okay, blue is a rare. Okay, we can get a square green poppet or a pink circle poppet. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, it says cut here. Let's cut it open. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a green poppet. Oh my goodness, it's a green square poppet. Okay, let's hear the sound. Oh, this is the quiet side. Oh, it's a little hard to push, but it's still very cool. This is actually more thicker than the orange one. See, the orange one that we get is actually a little bit more flimsy, but this one is a lot sturdier. But overall, both of them are still very fun to play with and very, very satisfying to pop and collect. Okay, so now we have a common orange square poppet and a rare green square poppet. Okay, so we still have one more bag to open. Let's see what we get. Okay guys, so this is the last Pop It blind bag. But before I open this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more of these blind bags video. Okay, so let's check the back. Blue. Okay, blue means rare. So we could get the green square Pop It again or the pink circle Pop It. I really want the circle Pop It. I don't want a double. So, okay, let's open it. Gosh, I'm so excited. I'm kind of nervous actually. Okay, will we get a pink circle Pop It or we get a double? Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, we already got it open. Drum roll, please. Oh, we got the pink circle Pop It. Yay! We didn't get a double. Oh my goodness, this is actually a really bright pink color. Oh, it's so loud. Listen. That is the loud side. Oh, this is kind of like... Oh, they're both pretty loud. Both of the sides are very loud. But I think this one is the quiet side. Oh. This is probably my favorite because the color is so bright and it's actually clicked very good. Yay! This is all the Pop It that we got. We got a green square Pop It, a pink circle Pop It, and a orange square Pop It. Yay! Okay, so my favorite's gotta be this pink one. It's very, very bright pink. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more blind bags video. Bye guys! Chu-chu-chu-chu! The end.